Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Valentina. I'm a makeup lover and I love today's makeup products. In today's video, I'm going to do a little get ready with me using my current makeup favorites. These are the products I've been reaching for the most lately. Some are newer discoveries, and some are products I genuinely can't stop using. We are going to do the makeup together, chat a little. And I'll show you everything that's currently in heavy rotation in my makeup routine. So if you want to get ready with me and you want to find out more, just keep on watching. I want to do something different today. I want to get ready with you guys today, and I want to show you what makeup products I've been loving lately. I already did my skincare, so let's jump straight into the makeup. I have 3 favorite foundations at the moment, and I wear them in rotation. And I talk about these 3. The new Armani Luminusil Foundation, the new reformulated version. The new reformulated Estee Lauder Double Wear. And the new reformulated Dior Forever Skin Glow Foundation. This new Estee Lauder Double Wear is not as long-lasting as the old formula, but this one doesn't break me out, and it looks very natural on the skin. What I like about the new Armani Luminusil Foundation is the nice lightweight formula and the natural finish, and the Dior Forever Glow Foundation has more coverage. Out of these 3, this one has the most natural finish. This one also looks natural on the skin, but it has a little bit more coverage than this Armani Luminusil Foundation, and it lasts a little bit better than this one. The Dior Forever Foundation has more coverage, but it still looks very natural on the skin. When I want more coverage, I use this foundation. When I have no problems on my skin, I use this one. And when I want my makeup to last a little longer, I use this one. I also want to say I like the Dior Forever Skin Glow Foundation more than the Dior Forever Matte Foundation. This one looks more natural on the skin and I feel like it lasts better. For my foundation today, I'm going to use this Dior Forever Skin Glow Foundation because I want more coverage on my skin today. For concealer, I still love my Pat McGrath Labs concealer. It's brightening, it has nice coverage, and it doesn't look heavy or cakey on the skin. I'll also use it as my eyeshadow base. For setting powder, I've been loving these 2. The Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder and the YSL All Hours Powder. This Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder is so good. It blurs my pores. My makeup lasts all day when I have this powder on. But I also love this one. This one doesn't keep my makeup matte all day, like this one. It makes my skin look matte, but not dry. But when I need my makeup to look matte all day, I use this powder. So I'm going to use this one today. What I hate about this Huda Beauty powder is the packaging, because the powder gets everywhere. Like, look at this powder with and without this powder on. So good. For blush, bronzer, and highlighter, I've been loving these. This Flower Nose blush in Valley Lily. It blurs my pores, the finish is matte, and the color is gorgeous. It makes the makeup look so fresh and healthy. For bronzer, I love this one by Givenchy. This Prisme Libre bronzer powder. You can see that I love it so much because I've hit pan on it. And for highlighter, my number one favorite is this one by Dior. It's the most stunning, gorgeous highlighter. It doesn't have chunky glitter and it looks so nice and natural on the skin. You can apply as much as you like. It will not look heavy or chunky on the skin. For eyeshadow, I've been loving these two eyeshadow palettes. This Flower Nose Bunny Garden Collection Color Makeup Palette in White Bunny. I love the matte colors from this palette. These are perfect for me and perfect for everyday makeup. They make my eyes pop. And I also love the Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes, the original palette. This is a gorgeous eyeshadow palette and you can do so much with it. This is perfect for natural everyday makeup, but you can also do a glam makeup look with this palette. From this palette, I reached the most for the shimmer shades. Now, let me show you what I've been loving to do on my eyes lately, using these two palettes. First, I'm going to use this color all over my eyelids. Now, this one on the outer corners. Now, this color on my lower lash line. And a little bit of this one too. And I use these three shimmer shades the most from this Makeup by Mario palette. I use one shade or I mix all of them together. Today I'm going to use this one. Look at how gorgeous is the shimmer shade. I want to use a little bit of this one too. For eyeliner, I still love this one by Flower Nose. I like it because it's waterproof, transfer-proof and very long-lasting. I'm going to quickly apply it off camera and I'll be right back. For mascara, I'm going to use this one by Lancome, this Lancome Curl Goddess. This mascara is nice, it doesn't transfer on my under eyes throughout the day, and the finish is very pretty. It's also long-lasting. I'm going to quickly apply it off camera and I'll be right back. For lip liner, I have a few favorites, but in my opinion, the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Lip Liner is the best. And I love the iconic nude, so that's what I'm going to use today. I've been loving to use just a lip liner on my lips lately. It's one of the most long-lasting lip liners I've ever tried. So I love to use this lip liner as a lipstick too. And my favorite setting spray right now is this one by One Size. This one does actually make my makeup last all day and stay matte. And I think that's everything. This is the finished makeup look using my current makeup favorites. I like my makeup. It's what I've been loving to do lately for my makeup. I feel like these products work really well together on my textured skin. But let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you like the finished makeup result. Let me know in the comments what your current makeup favorite is, because I'm always looking for new makeup products to try. And also let me know what other makeup products you'd like to test next. But that's everything for today. I hope this was helpful and I hope you like it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest makeup reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!